Today I am featuring this month's Allure Beauty Box. Let's see what's inside the Allure Beauty Box this month. We have the Allure brochure. And I guess the theme would be packing list. Okay. Yes, it looks like the current deputy beauty director moved from Brooklyn to Vermont. That's so interesting. So there's a lot to unpack. And it gives us it's a little postcard for something. Oh, this is for 7 steps for bright eyes. So what is the first thing on here? From Akar or Akar? A-K-A-R? Have we heard of this brand? I know I've seen this brand before in a former Allure box, I'm pretty sure. And this is the Akar or Akar Restore Eye Serum. Yes, 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 yes. I have oily eyelids too, so this may come in handy. So this formula is light enough to use even during the day for someone who has oily lids. So that's great. The price for this little bad boy is $85 US. It helps to pump the air. Oh, okay. It pumps the air. Let's see if I can show that. Can you see that? Yeah. Does this have a scent? I'm just curious. I don't really smell a scent, which is odd. I'm just gonna put a little here using the, ooh, very light. It has almost like a gel feature to it. It's not it's water, but it's not exactly water, if that makes sense. Okay. It looks a little like vitamin C. Maybe that's why the jar looks the way it does. I wonder if vitamin C is in this. But I will put the list of ingredients there. But you see how runny it is. It could be carrot too, I wonder. It definitely has a very rustic scent. It doesn't smell perfumey. Almost like a vegetable scent. It feels like I'm putting olive oil on my skin, if that makes sense. It's very moisturizing. I'll just put a little the eye serum, so I might as well not let it go to waste for $85. I'll just put it up here as well. Feels very soothing. You know, and I'm not dragging my eye with it, which is nice. And I'm just putting it in these areas here. And it does go into the skin. And I'll put the price tag somewhere here so you can see it. And this is, it says Your Blemish Hero. It's a duo, so there's only 2 in here? No. 6 times original for night, 6 times original for day. Oh, so it's a duo, not meaning 2, just having a set. Look how cute it is. You can put it in your travel case, your overnight bag. Nice. So this is blemishes always show up at the worst times. Don't I know it? That's why we created Mighty Patch. Hydrocolloid, I'll put the word here, hydrocolloid, C-O-L-L, colloid, a hydrocolloid. I think that's how you pronounce it. Acne patch that extracts impurities, camouflages blemishes, and helps heal your skin. Use original for nighttime and invisible for daytime. So the nighttime one probably doesn't, feels like a Band-Aid. Maybe it has the color of one, so it doesn't appear invisible. And the other one, invisible, you could wear like, I guess, under your makeup. Although when I have a blemish, the last thing I put on is more makeup, but that's just me. But this is interesting. Visibly shows it's working. I wonder how. I think I'll post a future video on how this works. Protects for faster healing, drug-free, and non-drying. Okay. I think this would be a practical thing. Let's see what's next. The next thing I have here is from Chella. And this looks like an can you believe this is an eyeshadow palette? This little baby is an eyeshadow palette. This I gotta see. 2 shimmers and 2 mattes, and the mattes happen to be the brown and the tan. And then the shimmers are across this way. So I'm just gonna, ooh, it feels so soft. do that real quick. Oh my gosh, I hope I can do this right. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. What do you think? Very nice neutral tone. Goes with any look, day to night. Beautiful. The Aveda Botanical Repair Mask. Months of outdoor. It seems that this is a deep conditioning hair mask, and this is friendly for all hair types, which is nice. Let's see. After shampooing, you leave it in the hair for a few minutes, then detangle. Oh, nice. Do you wash it out? Yeah, you do rinse it out, and especially for curly-haired girls, apparently this is very hydrating, but not greasy. So let's see. The price for the full size is $44 US. But obviously this is a sample size. I will be trying it with my wavy hair. What else do we have here? We have, it looks like an eyeliner. Oh, it's from Cargo. Love this brand. And this is their eyeliner pencil. And this baby goes for $18. This is full size, by the way. So that's nice. That's the point here. And I'm just gonna put it. Oh, it's very creamy. Pfeiffer Beach. Nice, good to know. One more thing in the Calvary is a face moisturizer. What? And this is for skin. This is from Maapilim, and I'll put the spelling there. Face moisturizer. And this, you put a little on your hands, or you put a little on your face. This actually is supposed to moisturize. They call this a lotion, even though it's a face moisturizer. That's interesting. And one of the editors here that tried it out said that they use it for their hands. It has a scent. They say it's subtle and fresh. So this will definitely be interesting to see what the scent is like. Oh, it does have a protective seal, which is good. There is a scent. It's very creamy. It's very thick. So just so you know. Interesting. Why does it smell like camphor? It kind of has a scent of, like, I hate to say it, like those hospital brands. That is interesting. Yeah, it has a very interesting scent. It doesn't smell flowery. It smells, I dare say, a slightly camphoric. It says it has hydrating ingredients of hyaluronic acid, shea butter, and jojoba oil, and soothing colloidal oatmeal. It was exactly what my parched complexion needed. No, when I first put this on, this smelled a little like, it smelled a little like camphor. I wouldn't say flat out Vicks, but it's in that category of hospital lotion scents. Okay, interesting. Smells a little rustic. If you like that, great. But if you want absolutely zero scent, zero fragrance, this may not be for you. The full size of that is $49. And I don't know if I mentioned what the Mighty Patches cost. They run $6.99 for 12. Okay. Pretty reasonably priced. So we have like high-end stuff as well as very reasonable priced. And can we get a look out of this? We don't have a lipstick, but we have an eyeliner. We have eyeshadow. If I was just to go out somewhere overnight, I think this would be good for my hair, you know, just to have a beauty night, or even wherever I'm at, because when you're in a new environment, the stresses show up immediately in your hair and your skin. So I can understand that. I would say not bad. I would have really liked to have gotten a juicy lipstick out of this. But other than that, I just get this whole scent of just exactly what it is. You know, you pack, you know, an overnight bag and you go. Just pack the essentials. All that's needed is a bar of soap. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below what you think of what I received from the Allure Beauty Box for April 2021. And if you haven't already, hit that like button, and even better, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you will know my next video will be up. Oh, the notification bell may be down here. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest unboxing, and I'll see you on my next makeup adventure. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.